The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, again, viewers and subscribers, really and truly, what you just see a while ago, if it's a serious video, you know what I mean, like if this is a real event or something will just happen, right? This is not a laughing matter, really and truly, but it would make some people smile, really and truly, to see that he didn't even realize that there was a surveillance camera on him. You see what I say? And when he realized that the camera is on him, he's like putting it back. Right? Now, there are some bag of questions behind this video still. I have a few questions to ask behind this video is that, one, is this really real? And the reason why I ask if it's real is because I point out the fact that a surveillance camera would normally come with date and so forth at it, you know, showing that it might mark cam 1 with the date or, you know, the time and them things counting and so forth. I don't see anything like that, you see me? But obviously you can see that this is in a store, you see me? So that is the reason why I kind of wonder if this video is really real, you see me? Because you know that a lot of persons do them look at funny video clips and so forth, you see me? But if that's just a look at funny video clips and so forth, well, whosoever do that one, well, it's well done, you see me? That's if it's a funny video clip, you see me? But if it's a serious thing, like if this thing is really real, well, don't you know that there is a rule in the Bible that says, thou shalt not steal? Right? Yeah, don't do it, man. Really and truly. So the thief go inside of the lady's bag, take out her phone, right? That seems like a phone. But when he realized that he's on a camera, which seems to be a surveillance camera, he returned the phone, or he put back the phone in her bag, right? Yeah, seems like there's a bit of conscience there. Really and truly. But anyways, them two questions they have to ask really and truly, like, is this really a real thing where happen here? See, I mean, because me just have my doubts. So I just really bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers. If you take a look on this and tell me what you really and truly think, you see me? Because we are like a team to this thing, you see me? It's like, I'm not Mr. Know-It-All, so it's not everything really and truly I gonna know, you see me? But this one really and truly, it's on social media out there. It's like all over the place right about now, you see me? This man seems to have a little conscience though. You see. But anyways, I want to look on this really and truly. Tell me what you think about something like this. Alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see.